How to get the best Edikted discount promo codes. Want to score the best deals on Edikted fashion? Here's how to find and use promo codes for maximum savings. So, start by checking trusted coupon websites such as Hot Deals, Simply Codes, and WeThrift. Verified codes here often give you 10 to 20% off plus influencer codes that unlock extra discounts. So to be able to copy the codes from here, simply click on this copy code button for that specific offer that you want to avail and then head back to Edikted and then go ahead and check out some items and then enter the code into the discount code section on the checkout page. Edikted partners with influencers who share exclusive codes. These often give you an extra 10% off on top site-wide sales. Edikted runs flash sales with up to 80% off clearance items. Combine this with promo codes for maximum savings. Sign up for Edikted's newsletter. Subscribers often get exclusive codes and early access to sales. Install coupon extensions like Honey. They automatically test and apply the best working code at checkout. And that is how you get the best Edikted discount promo codes.